Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making grilled bell peppers. For this easy recipe, we just need bell peppers, and for the seasonings, we'll need olive oil or any kind of vegetable oil, and salt and pepper or any seasonings you like. So first thing I'm going to do is preheat the grill. So I'm just going to turn it on high. And I'm going to cover it so it preheats more quickly. And now let's prepare the bell peppers for grilling. So as you can see, I have all colors of bell peppers. They all cook the same way. So I'm going to cut them in half. I already washed them before making the video. So I'm going to cut them in half and cut out the seeds and membranes. So we just need bell pepper halves without the seeds, and I'm not going to cut them any smaller because I don't want them to fall inside the grill. So those are good big enough pieces for grilling, and I'll do the same with the remaining peppers. So now I've prepared the peppers, and I'm going to now season them. So I'm going to pour a little bit of olive oil here, and I like to use oil. It just keeps them from sticking to the grill. So let's brush them with oil. And now sprinkle the seasoning. So just keep it simple, just salt and pepper, but you can use any seasonings you like. And now flip them over and do the same thing on the other side. So brush with oil. Now if you're watching calories, you can leave oil out. It's totally up to you, but it makes it more flavorful and also keeps it from sticking. And sprinkle the seasonings. So now I've prepared the peppers, and let's put them on a grill. So I'm going to open the grill. It's preheated for now, and I'm going to reduce heat to low. Now the type of heat depends on your grill. This one is pretty powerful, so I usually cook vegetables on low to keep them from burning, but if your grill low is not enough, you can always do medium, low, or medium, but mine is low. So I'm going to put the peppers on the grill. Perfect. And now let's cover the grill, and I'm going to check on them in 3 minutes. So now it's been 3 minutes. Let's take a look at the peppers. So just take a look how they look on the side that's touching the grill. Yeah, it looks like they're, have nice grill marks. So they're ready to be flipped. And if your grill for some reason is not, that powerful and you see that they don't have any grill marks, you just keep them a few minutes longer. But mine are ready to be flipped, so let's turn them over to the other side. And now let's cover the grill and cook them for 3 more minutes. So now the bell peppers have been grilling for 3 minutes on the other side, so 6 minutes total. And let's take a look. They look so good. So just see if they're tender enough to your liking. You just kind of feel them, and if you want them more tender, just close it and grill it some more. But to me, they look done. So I'm going to turn off the grill and take them off the grill. So let's turn everything off. And let's take the bell peppers off the grill. So they're nicely grilled on both sides and they feel tender to me. Perfect. Look how good they look. Perfect grill marks. They're so colorful. Perfectly grilled peppers. It looks amazing. I'm so excited about trying them. Let's try it. So let me just cut this pepper. So see, it just feels tender. Cut this piece. Cut so easily. They're perfectly grilled. It was so quick and easy. So delicious. They have such a deep grilled flavor. Tastes so good. Grilling really makes them super flavorful, and they're so healthy, so easy to make, and so delicious. Grilling peppers, it's not that common. I don't hear about it very often. Usually people grill burgers and hot dogs, but peppers, once you try grilling them, you're going to make it over and over. This is perfect for summer. So healthy, so easy, you will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!